Hey everyone, and welcome to Destination Love, our series that covers tips and tricks to help you navigate the treacherous world of dating online and beyond. I am your host, Ella Kay. I'm a certified dating and relationship coach that specializes in mindset and confidence. And so today we're going to talk about the top 10 first date pet peeves. I'm here today to talk about why you should never listen to dating advice. Men are a little more visual than we are, so they may find problems with a dating profile, but if they like the pictures, they still might swipe right. So in this episode, we're going to call it top 10 pet peeves that men have about women's online dating profiles. Go with the flow. And I was fighting flow every step of the way. I was like, fix it. I gotta fix it. This article says I should do this. This person says I should do that. And what ultimately happened is I killed it. I see how I forced a situation, and I get angry at myself for not listening to my instincts. When my instincts were right, I should have just gone with it and had fun with it. Because that's what it was, and that's what I wanted. So the reason I did this video today is to help you understand that it isn't about a timeline you should be on or what other people think. It's about going with your instinct and doing what's best for you. Today's episode of Destination Love, it is Feedback Friday. Feedback Friday means that it's the day that we take the results of the polls that we do on Instagram, and we compile them together and tell you what your peers think. Content of your online dating profile bringing in the ladies or causing them to run. This week's episode of Destination Love is for the men. Top 10 reasons that women will swipe left on your dating profile.